This is a visalock. Visalock is a Venezuelan lock company. So it's got anti-snap steel sheets, 10 lockpick resistant bronze pins. I'm not sure what those are. And stainless steel. It has the C keyway, which kind of looks like Avis or CISA. So I think this lock is kind of like I don't know, maybe an Avis or CISA knockoff. This is the key. So you can see how it has those two sets of pins, and there's 10 pins. There's the 6 on the bottom, and then there's 4 that come down from the top. And you gotta set them to get the lock to open. But what I've noticed is that when I'm going through and setting bottom pins, I set the top pins anyway, so they don't give the same feedback as the bottom pins do, so I might not call them out as I'm going through because I just set them. So I'm just going to use the multi-pick Z-bar and the small multi-pick flag. So 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. Now I'm going to go back to the back. I'm going to try to set number 6. They're deep set, and it usually drops at least number 1, which is what I did. So now I got that set. Now I'm going back to number 5, and if I can keep from slipping off of it, there we go, and number 5 opens it up. But that is the visalock.